Hello, everyone. My name is Tom. Welcome to my new English podcast. Today, we're talking about video games. Do you like playing games on your computer? Many people play games every single day. Gaming is a great way to learn English. You can meet friends from different countries. I usually play games after my work. It helps me relax and feel happy. Some games are easy, but some are hard. You need a good PC or a console. A console is a box like PlayStation or Xbox. You also need a controller or a mouse. Do you prefer a big monitor or a TV? I have a very fast gaming laptop. The graphics look very realistic and beautiful. In this episode, we will learn gaming words. It is perfect for beginners and elementary students. Please listen carefully to my short sentences. I speak slowly so you can understand everything. Video games have many different genres or types. My favorite genre is adventure because of stories. What was your first video game ever? I remember playing Mario on an old console. It was simple, but very fun to play. Technology changes very fast these days. Modern games look like real Hollywood movies. Let's start our journey into the digital world. I hope you enjoy this first part. Are you ready to begin the lesson? Let's talk about the different kinds of games. Action games are very fast and exciting. You usually need to run, jump, or fight. RPG means role-playing game, which is long. In an RPG, you create your own character. You can choose their hair, clothes, and skills. Strategy games make you think a lot. You must plan your moves to win. I like building cities in simulation games. Sports games are popular for football fans. You can play as your favorite famous athlete. Racing games are about driving fast cars. Puzzle games are good for your brain. They help you solve problems and focus. Shooters are games where you use weapons. Horror games can be very scary at night. I don't like horror because I get afraid. Sandbox games give you a lot of freedom. Minecraft is the most famous sandbox game. You can build houses or explore big caves. Mobile games are popular on smartphones today. People play them on the bus or train. They are usually short and very simple. Multiplayer games are for playing with others. Single-player games are for playing alone. Which type of game do you prefer? I think every person can find a favorite. Some games are even used in schools. They help students learn history or science. Every genre has something special for players. To play well, you need the right tools. The most important part is the processor. A good video card makes the picture clear. I use a mechanical keyboard for typing. It makes a loud and satisfying click sound. A gaming mouse has extra buttons on it. These buttons help you react much faster. A headset is a pair of headphones. It also has a microphone for talking. I talk to my teammates during the match. A comfortable chair is very important too. Your back needs support for long sessions. Some people use two monitors at once. One screen is for the game itself. The other screen is for chat or music. Do you play on a laptop or desktop? Laptops are great because you can travel. Desktops are better for high performance. Consoles are easier to use for beginners. You just plug them into the television. Virtual reality is the newest way to play. You wear a special headset over your eyes. It feels like you're inside the game. It is a very strange but cool feeling. Hardware can be quite expensive these days, but you don't need the best computer. Many great games work on old machines. Check the system requirements before you buy. Always keep your equipment clean and tidy. Good gear helps you enjoy the experience. Gaming is a very social hobby today. I often play with my best friends. We use the internet to connect together. Online games allow us to cooperate well. Cooperation means working as one strong team. We try to defeat the enemy together. Sometimes we win and sometimes we lose. It is important to be a good sport. Don't be angry if you lose a match. I met many people in online chats. Some of them live in London or New York. We speak English while we play together. This is how I practice my speaking skills. It's fun to learn slang and new words. Voice chat is better than typing messages. You can hear the emotions of other players. Many games have guilds or clans inside. A clan is like a big family online. We help each other with difficult tasks. We share items and gold in the game. Be careful when talking to strangers online. Always be polite and kind to everyone. Cyberbullying is a bad thing in gaming. We should make the community a safe place. Streaming is another way to be social. People watch others play on the internet. They write comments and ask many questions. It is like a big television show. Playing together makes the experience much better. Friendship is the best part of any game. Are video games good for your health? Scientists say they can improve your vision. They also help with fast decision making. You learn how to solve puzzles quickly. Games can reduce stress after a long day. They take you to a different world. You could be a hero or a pilot. Reading in games improves your English vocabulary. I learned the word quest from a game. A quest is a mission or a task. Many games have beautiful music and art. They're like interactive paintings or stories. Some games teach you about managing money. You must save gold to buy better items. This is a good lesson for real life. Gaming improves your hand-eye coordination skills. Your fingers become very fast and precise. It can also help with learning languages. Change the language settings to English today. You will hear native speakers talk naturally. It is a fun way to study grammar. Of course, you must not play too much. Balance is the key to a healthy life. Remember to take breaks every hour. Stand up and stretch your body often. Drink water and look away from screens. Your eyes need a rest from the light. Everything is good when you have limits. Enjoy the benefits, but stay very active. Games are a positive part of my life. Are video games good for your health? Scientists say they can improve your vision. They also help with fast decision making. You learn how to solve puzzles quickly. Games can reduce stress after a long day. They take you to a different world. You could be a hero or a pilot. Reading in games improves your English vocabulary. I learned the word quest from a game. A quest is a mission or a task. Many games have beautiful music and art. They're like interactive paintings or stories. Some games teach you about managing money. You must save gold to buy better items. This is a good lesson for real life. Gaming improves your hand-eye coordination skills. Your fingers become very fast and precise. It can also help with learning languages. Change the language settings to English today. You will hear native speakers talk naturally. It is a fun way to study grammar. Of course, you must not play too much. Balance is the key to a healthy life. Remember to take breaks every hour. Stand up and stretch your body often. Drink water and look away from screens. Your eyes need a rest from the light. Everything is good when you have limits. Enjoy the benefits, but stay very active. Games are a positive part of my life. We are at the end of our podcast. I hope you learned some useful words today. English and gaming are a perfect match. Try to find a game you really love. Read the subtitles while characters are speaking. Write down new words in a notebook. Don't be afraid to make small mistakes. Every pro player was once a beginner. Practice makes perfect in games and English. Thank you for listening to my stories. It was a pleasure talking to you all. In the next episode, we will discuss movies. Cinema is another great way to learn. Do you have any questions for me? You can leave a comment or a message. Tell me about your favorite video game. I'm always happy to hear from you. Check my website for the full transcript. Share this podcast with your classmates too. Learning together is always more effective. Keep practicing your English every single day. Watch videos, listen to music, and play. You're doing a very great job. Stay curious and keep exploring new things. The world of English is very big. I am Tom, your friendly English host. Have a wonderful day and enjoy gaming. See you very soon in the next part. Goodbye for now, my dear friends. Take care and happy leveling up.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.